Your voice counts in policing. You can influence how your police service works through your elected Police and Crime Commissioner. Your Police and Crime Commissioner is elected by you. He or she acts as a bridge between you, the public, and your local police service. The role of the Police and Crime Commissioner is to be the voice of the people and hold the police to account. Every police force in England and Wales is held to account by a Police and Crime Commissioner, or, if you live in Greater Manchester and London, by the Mayor. Their responsibilities include setting the police budget and the police priorities, which are published in their Police and Crime Plan. They also appoint the Chief Constable. The Chief Constable is responsible for making operational policing decisions, with the PCC providing strategic oversight to ensure progress is made against local priorities. PCCs are answerable to you, the public. Police and Crime Commissioners are helping to improve the local criminal justice system to support victims of crime and reduce reoffending. They work closely with a wide range of organisations, including local councils, health services and voluntary and community groups, to deliver a joined-up approach to community safety, preventing and reducing crime. Ultimately, their job is to help make your community safer. PCCs also help local emergency services, including police, fire and rescue and ambulance services, to work together more closely. In parts of England, they are also responsible for how local fire and rescue services are run. If you have questions or concerns about the way policing is delivered in your area, or you want to highlight issues or concerns about community safety, you can contact your Police and Crime Commissioner and speak directly with them or their team via their website. The next Police and Crime Commissioner elections will be in May 2021. You have a real voice in local policing. Make sure you have your say. To find out more about your local PCC, visit www.apccs.police.uk.